Hi everyone, this is Tevfik and I want to show you a new SolidTEE version. SolidTEE is a basically converter and SolidTEE finds every sheet metal part in a SolidWorks assembly and convert it as a DWG or Dxf format. Firstly, we check out how to export data. For example, I click test on test 2 and you will see automatic create assembly name, date and time. If I click, you will see sorry you will see filter by material name and filter by thickness, and you will see the DWG or the Dxf format. Why is showing? Because is you can select folder options, material and thickness. If you select this, firstly filter by material, filter by thickness, and you will see a very long part name, and you can control in here thickness, material, quantity is very important. If you get DWG format manually and you had to write how many times I use this part in assembly, and the program calculate automatically, and if you click this quantity and write it here very easily, and then you will see weight unit and measure unit, and we use generally in Excel report. Firstly I open Excel and you will see firstly preview, body, part name, configuration, assembly count, program calculates all of them, and you will see the units, and I check the millimeter and kilogram, and program get Excel report millimeter and kilogram. At the same time you will see the part unit. For example, this part unit kilogram and millimeter and gram and millimeter, you will see the part unit in here. And this is a very important measure unit because sometimes we use mixed unit. What I mean, some of part is created millimeter, some of part is created inch, and if you get the WG or the Excel format, you have to change millimeter or inch, because if you give any machine you have to give the same unit. So program check the unit, and for example I select the millimeter, and the program check the every sheet metal part. If I use any other unit, program say to me, hey man, you use different units, so I I change this part millimeter and get the WG format. But if you use this part, you can check the Excel file and check the find the file, and maybe you can change or don't change, doesn't matter. Just only program give me a warning if I use different measure unit, but didn't give any information weight unit. Just only you will see the Excel report and you realize, or maybe you can control manually or use control other macro. Anyway, and at the same time you can choose sheet metal option, and if you want to show it, you just only click and change and save it. If you want to follow us, and you can click any social media and you will find any group or website. And how to program works, I close all of them, and if you open any Surface document or Excel document, please close all of them, because program maybe close all of them is working, sometimes get any mistake and write in Excel, so it maybe it's mistake or close your file. So just only using this program. First, if you don't know anything, you can click how to use click me and you can watch this video. And if you click the start, program say please select in a folder save project. Why say this program? Because the folder option, two option. If you select the folder assembly folder, and the full export folder automatically creates the same page with assembly, or if you wanna you can select other folder. I just only prefer assembly folder and don't choose anything. It's easy. And if you want to you can select DWG or Dxf format, doesn't matter. We can use program easily because just only select an assembly. You will see just only select assembly and I click and find configuration, programs, open SolidWorks and find this assembly and get all configuration, and you have to select configuration because an assembly have a lot of configuration and you have to choose one. And then you just only click start program, open SolidWorks, and you will see on the background now. And firstly open SolidWorks. I didn't use the workstation, so maybe it's works slowly. I try to I click any screen. Anyway, program works very well and you will see, and you will this part. Actually, you know how to get DWG or Dxf format open file and click save as DWG or Dxf format and you will see the option and just only select manually. Yes, it's very so long if you get 100 or more data, and this program works very well. At the same time save your time. If not, you have to spend a lot of time using get data and you don't get any Excel data like this. And firstly, I create this program in 2014, and after 4 years I create a new one from zero, and it works every SolidWorks version, and it works just only English and Turkish menu, so you have to use English menu or if you use Turkish, because we can get data cut list. Okay, the program is finished and I will see SolidWorks is gone and program set me, and I want one unit, different unit. Please check Excel file and understand. I select the millimeter and I will understand one of part, at least one part is different unit. Program set me and I check it Excel, and then it's very important. One piece part didn't convert DWG or Dxf format successfully. It's very important because sometimes I can get DWG format and it's wrong. So I repair my part and I can get again. And please check Excel file, and I close program and I open it and you will see my part, and I open Excel file and say to me error full up pattern list, and I open SolidWorks and you will see part number, configuration name, body name, feature name and the file path, and then I open it with this part. Firstly I will check it. I will find which one. This part cannot DWG format. Why? Firstly, I click flatten and you will see, yes, this part couldn't flatten and it works, and program said to me I can't get this part, so you can repair this part and get DWG format manually, and program say this, and it's very useful option. And sometimes you can get the other error list is a not open part, and it means I couldn't open this part, so I don't know sheet metal part or feature part, I don't care, and program said the error code, and you can understand if you check the error code and so forth. Anyway, generally we cannot get this opened part file, but if you see, you cannot surprise, we can uh, think everything about get DWG or Dxf format, and you will see the image, and you will see filter by material, filter by thickness, and you will see the part. And I open it and I click and I check the unit. The program say to me, yes, this part is inch, you will see, and the weight is pound, kilogram, gram, you will see every unit. I use it in this assembly, and don't worry, program, yes, this part is inch, but program find this part and change the unit uh, from inch to millimeter and get data. So if you use the millimeter, your data is converted DWG format correctly, but you can change this unit because sometimes you can get manually and you don't care, and maybe you can mistake. Yes, it's done, and I will open other or big Excel file, and you will see it's a big assembly, and it's done. And you can use this checklist, or you can use how to calculate cutting length, or you can see cut out count. Maybe you can use punch and you will see one hole in here, or if you use two hole in here and you can see two hole, and so on. You can calculate everything using this data, and net mass, gross mass, and surface area, length, width, thickness. Sometimes some ERP system get this data and you can get easily just only using this program. Anyway, if you want to try to demo, you can send me email or visit my website. If you click this here, and you can visit my website. Thank you for watching.